Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our web scraping tutorial series. I'm excited to dive into today's topic, using CSS selectors in BeautifulSoup. If you've ever worked with CSS in web development, you know that selectors are a powerful way to target HTML elements. BeautifulSoup leverages this power, allowing us to navigate and extract data from web pages more efficiently. So, let's get started. First, we'll import the necessary libraries. We'll use BeautifulSoup from the BS4 library to parse the HTML. Next, for simplicity, we'll define a sample HTML content to work with. In a real-world scenario, you would fetch the content from a live web page using requests library or something similar. Now, we'll parse the HTML content using BeautifulSoup and create a soup object. With our soup object ready, we can start using CSS selectors to find elements. Let's begin by selecting all paragraph tags in the document. We can print out the text of each paragraph to see what we've selected. Now, let's select a div with the class content. We'll print out the content to verify our selection. To be more specific, we can select all p tags that are inside a div with class content. This way, we're narrowing down our selection to only the paragraphs within that specific div. We can also use attribute selectors. For example, let's select all the tags where the href attribute starts with HTTP. This is useful for finding all external links on a page. Now, suppose we have an unordered list with the ID fruits, and we want to select all the list items inside it. We can print out each fruit to see our selection. If we want to select a specific item, say the second one, we can use the pseudo class. This will select the second lie element inside the UL with ID fruits. As you can see, CSS selectors give us a powerful and flexible way to navigate HTML documents. I encourage you to experiment with different selectors to see what data you can extract. That's all for today's tutorial on using CSS selectors in BeautifulSoup. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.